Hello, everybody. We're going to talk about the burning of fossil fuels. We're going to talk about the burning of fossil fuels how it is related to air quality. So let's start with a fuel. A fuel is a substance that makes heat when it reacts with oxygen. The energy contained in the fuel is released when it burns. I'm sure you've heard about fossil fuels. Fossil fuels have been formed over millions of years. They actually formed around 500 million years ago. They were made from dead plant and animal remains which have been buried. So there are three fossil fuels: oil, natural gas, and coal. So when fuels burn, when coal burns, it produces carbon dioxide. So if you have coal, burn it, it's going to produce carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide will be released when you burn the coal. When oil and gas are burnt, they produce carbon dioxide and water vapor. If you have oil or gas and you burn them, they release carbon dioxide and water vapor. So all the three fossil fuels, all coal, oil, and gas, all of them release carbon dioxide when they're burned. So what do we use these fuels for, actually? We really use them for important things. Fuel, for example, for road, sea, and air transport, fuel in cars, fuel for planes, and even in cruise liners and ships and tankers. Also use fuel to burn for electricity. Oil and other fossil fuels can be taken to a power station. The power station then changes this oil. It burns the oil or the fossil fuel and eventually changes it into electricity. The electricity that we use in our own houses to switch on and off the lights, to have the fridge working, to charge the mobile. All this electricity has come from oil, coal, or natural gas that has been burnt at a power station. This photo is the power station that we have in Malta and Del Mar. So what happens when fuels are burnt? When fuels are burnt, we said that the fossil fuels all release carbon dioxide when they are burnt. Pollutants are formed and released into the air when these fossil fuels are burnt. These pollutants make the air quality poorer. And poor air quality may cause harmful effects on people and the environment. It could cause, for example, dizziness, asthma, it could increase stress levels, it could make a farmer produce less crops. Okay, let's do the final check. It's the three fossil fuels. I'm going to give you a few minutes to try and think of them. So the three fossil fuels were oil, coal, and natural gas. What happens when fossil fuels are burnt? What do you think? So when fossil fuels are burnt, carbon dioxide is produced, and also pollutants are released into the air, which could also make air quality become even poorer. Last question, if there are many pollutants in the air, what happens to the air quality? If there are many pollutants in the air quality becomes poorer. It could cause a lot of harmful effects, especially to humans and their health. Thanks for watching.